Hi everyone, welcome back to Mexmew. I'm Mex. Do you find a text in your WhatsApp messages too small to read? Or maybe it's too large and you want a cleaner look? Many people don't realize that you can adjust the font size directly within the WhatsApp app without changing your entire phone settings. In this quick video, I'll show you how to do it to make messaging much more comfortable for your eyes. Please support the channel by hitting like and subscribe. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Step 2. Navigate to Chat Settings. Look for and select the menu labeled Chats. Inside this menu, you'll find an option called Font Size. Step 3. Choose your preferred size. WhatsApp offers three options: small, medium, and large. If you want the text to be crystal clear and easy to see, select large. All your conversation text will instantly update to the new size. It's that simple. No more squinting while reading long messages. I'm Mex. Thanks for watching this Mexmew tutorial. Do you prefer your text small or large? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.